Hey everyone, hope you are doing good. Welcome to my channel. So, I'm making this my first stream, and let's see your replies. And so, in this video, generally, I will be discussing about the GitHub Copilot. So, like how we are going to utilize it in a very precise manner, and what are the different things that we must take care while doing. Just give me a minute. I just need to check if my voice is coming and my audio is coming. Hey everyone, hope you are doing good. Welcome to my channel. Okay, let's begin. So everything seems good. So uh, today we will be building a scratch-based product. Okay, with the help of GitHub Copilot, I can show you. This is my GitHub Copilot, and let's do from scratch how we can log in with GitHub. So I can just log out with it, and we'll be logging again so that you can at least know how you need to do each and everything. So I'm closing VS Code also. So just opening the GitHub account for that, and yes, so this is where I need to log in. Let's create a dummy folder for this. I'm creating in my this. Let's move to VS Code and let's sign in first. So this is what you will be getting in VS Code. I hope you are already familiar with VS Code. And let's log in first. So over here you will be seeing to log in, but again, if you are new to GitHub Copilot, you need to install this extension, which I can show you. I think that's name was GitHub. See, you can install this extension, GitHub Copilot. Okay, I have done a lot of extension, GitHub Actions. That is also used for me actually, even GitHub Copilot Chat. So when you install it, just you can see over here there is one icon in the top right corners. You can see when you click over it, you will be getting this pop-up. So when you click on it, continue with GitHub, you need to log in with your GitHub. So basically GitHub Copilot give you free version also. So but I am a premium user, so I can show you I am having these access. So these models are coming for me, but you might be not able to see these amount of models if you are a free user. So you can, maybe you will be seeing only these 4 to 5 models. Okay, so GitHub Copilot free is also good, but that is having some limitations, like it gives for some amount of time only. Okay, just 1 minute. Yes, so that's why I purchased the GitHub Copilot, and this is really very good. So you can see even the progress rate it is showing, like Cloud Opus 4.5, it will be giving you 3x models. And I can show you one thing. This these are free models, and you can see it is, according to GitHub, it is just a 0x progress. And you can think now how much progress will be giving these models. Okay, so this is all about GitHub Copilot, and let's begin to our product. So in this video we will be making a scratch based product. We will be keeping care each and everything what are do's and don'ts that you need to take care during building the like applications when you're going for, and when you're going to build a scratch based product or any application, then you must take care of this. Okay, so let's see how we can able to make it. Just give me 1 minute. I'm just checking. What are Yes, let's begin. Okay, so here, as you can see, there is a chat window where you need to give a context as well as you need to give what you need to build. So basically, there is different options. If you are going for agent mode, that is actually going to build each and everything. That is really very good for if you are going to build scratch based product. Ask is just like if you want to ask something, like you are having some code base, you need to ask what is happening in this code base or what is happening in particular file. Add it is something related to, you can add it in particular files. It's again related to agent, but it is less effective than agent, I can tell you. Plan is just something like you want to do researches and want to outline multiple chapters, but I didn't use too much about this. So basically I will be focusing on this agent mode, how we can utilize that. Now you can see in agent mode there is different option for selecting. I already mentioned these, so maybe the best one is cloud opus 4.6 till now I checked. Let's click on this. Even one more thing I want to mention, when you hover over in the bottom section, you can able to see your requests that you have made till now. So currently it's 1st of April, so I have not utilized any of the premium requests, so it is showing me 0%. Maybe you will be, so basically it's all about these requests. Whatever you will be writing, whatever you will be giving context, the more context you are going to give, the more premium requests will be Copilot using. So that's what I will be going to tell you, what you are need to take care while coding with agents. Okay, otherwise you will be getting exhausted within 1 or 2 days if you are utilizing a lot of ais. Yeah, but we will be utilizing a lot of AI, but still I will be telling you each and everything how you need to build it. Okay, so let's say I am having an empty folder. Let's give a prompt just to check if it is working or not. Let's see what AI tells. So it is just reading up all the things for us. Why it's taking too much time? Just for 1 minute. Let's see what is happening. It's working now. Okay, so it's giving us reply. Now it's ready. Let's start. Let's create a one web application using technologies like Next.js. Let's see what AI builds in. Okay, so let's give a prompt. I want to create an web application that is based on healthcare. Make it good looking and impressive with complete responsiveness nature. Okay, let's try to give good things to the AI so that at least AI can make it and understand, and try to utilize best practices and best UI design patterns make it fully functional. Let's first focus on front end part only, and even we can tell AI also first focus on front end only, build different pages. Now even I'm saying to AI to build different pages as per your knowledge what should be in the health sector, as per your knowledge that uh, sector must include. Don't try to use simple basic languages. Try to use different UI libraries and frameworks and make it ready for production. So this is what I give. You see how I'm utilizing it. I am just dividing my context into different patterns. So first what I want to create it, okay, and then what are the best practices and what to focus for now. So I just give that thing, and then just general rules that I want the AI to follow. AI can follow these automatically, but still, if you pass the things in the context, then it will be working very good. Okay, the more context you are going to pass, the more AI will be getting relevant knowledge for your domain. But still, it will be utilizing a lot of tokens based on this context. But let's see how we can optimize it. So let's in the end, let's give it one more thing that is really very important to give. Take your time and think based on the above. Okay, so this is one thing that you must provide. Actually, what does that these AI did na? Earlier, now even Opus is more smart. Actually, it takes more time already, but the older models were not very good. So it just try to give the result as soon like just you enter your prompt. So it doesn't think like I feel it doesn't think too much based on our prompt. So that's what I think you must enter these things in the end. Okay, let's see and enter what AI can build for us. Okay, so you can see now it is working for the different text stack. Like see, it's pick up the next 14 plus and all these things. Okay, so let's see how much AI can build and see it's 1 a.m. Let's see in how much time this AI can able to complete this result. Okay, so even you can see over here it divided into different tasks. So what about these tasks? Let's see. Okay, so it is also asking for the law. Even you can allow this one, but I feel for the scratch based products you can allow all commands in this session, because otherwise you need to wait for the AI to check each and everything. So for now I'm allowing all the commands, but I'm warning you here, if you are having anything like database already connected with in your AI or any security things like environment files or each and everything, so that things you must take care, because otherwise AI can read each and everything, and maybe it can delete the database. As you can as you heard the news of Lord also recently, like Lord delete the production database. I don't know for which product it deleted. So it's just asking for the general allow, but for the commands I already mentioned, I have give full access. If you click over here, you can able to see what AI is doing in the terminal. Okay, so you are seeing it is actually initializing the Next.js environment. Okay, because it's already mentioned scaffold Next.js project. This is the first task that AI will be doing. Okay, and AI automatically creates the to-dos for him and divided into different parts. So first part is already doing, and then it will be utilizing these type of things. Okay, so see, even I didn't mention like you need to build these type of pages. It still automatically checks the health sector. It is having a great knowledge. Like I need to build these particular pages on if you are on the health sector. So the pages, let's review one's home page, service page, doctor's team page, appointments page, about page, contacts page, patient dashboard. Even wow, that's nice. And then it will be polishing and verify. Okay, so I think it's done with the first task. Maybe it's yeah, see, now it is getting moved to second one. Okay, so let's discuss what GitHub Copilot, like how we can precisely utilize these until this is getting completed. So basically, suppose if you are having a scratch, if you need to build a scratch based product, right? So what you can do, you can just give a command to the AI. Like earlier what happens, you will be getting the Figma files, you will be getting the Figma team. Okay, so all these type of things you will be getting. But now now what is happening, with the help of AI, you don't need anything. Even if you don't know about the what is next, yes, still you can able to create, and that is called vibe coding, and that is really very important in today's era. Even the top companies are focusing on the candidates that know about this vibe coding, right? Suppose you just know the domain knowledge now, like what is happening. So from the Copilot and even from the different AIs, you can able to create different projects, right? So, and one more thing I want to mention about the GitHub Copilot. If you are like, I can mention about the cost, actually how much it is cost for me. So basically, GitHub Copilot gives a free version also that is having some premium requests, but that will be actually, if I consider this example now, that premium request will be getting exhausted in this only, with this two task only. So that is a really small usage. Even GitHub Copilot get exhausted. And about the premium request, it cost me $10 per month. But one good option GitHub provides us about that free 1 month of this premium request. So when you're going to purchase GitHub Copilot, you will be getting 1 month for free. Okay, you just need to add your cart. It will not deduct any amount, it will just deduct the amount from the next month automatically. Okay, so make sure if you are not utilizing, you need to delete your cart. Otherwise it will be charging you based on month automatically. Okay, so other things I can show you in the over here also. When you go to over here in the Copilot settings, you can see the premium requests used till now. You can see even just for the simple task, my 2% premium requests are getting used. Okay, and maybe if you are in a free version, you will be not able to see this page. I'm a premium user, so that's why I'm getting this. And you can able to enable these features for the best practices, like edit a preview feature. These are actually automatically enabled by default, but the things that was disabled, I checked this one. GitHub can search the web, so this is really very important to enable it, because otherwise GitHub has restricting knowledge only to the reference you're getting passed. Okay, VS Code is asking me something. What is saying? If you don't save, then we can save. I don't know why it's showing like this. I think actually GitHub analyzed one bug over here, so that's why. he created one more file for this in the form of layout.new. Let's see, let's wait for the GitHub what it is able to achieve. Okay, let's move to over here. So as you can see, I was saying about this GitHub can search the web. So this is really very important. Otherwise, GitHub will be not having good context. Might be you will say GitHub is not good only because of this option. Even I was saying the GitHub is not able to do a lot of things because you disable this option. So it is really very important to enable this option. Okay, and then these are already enabled. MCP server enable, and there is one more option what we can see automatically Copilot. This is again very good option, Copilot code review. So it will automatically reviews your pull request. If you're not aware of pull request, you can research on it. It is actually utilized in while managing your code bases. Okay, when you are working with the team, so this pull request works for you. So even you can enable it and it will automatically review your code and it will add the comments in the pull request. Okay, so these type of things you can add. Even there is one more option I'm trying to find to add the different models. What is that more feature? Let's see. Maybe we can check from there also. Yes, manage models. This is not about that. I think I'm already having a lot of models. That's why it is showing me like this. Don't know, maybe when you are going to use, you will be not having, even if you choose the premium version, you will be not able to see these amount of models. I added from the GitHub dashboard from here. I'm not actually seeing that part, but maybe you will be able to see. Let me ping uh, in the description also if I found that in later. But I think so. Like I'm already having a lot of things, a lot of models already added, so that's why it is not showing me that. Okay, so this is all about the GitHub dashboard that you can see. I can show you about the usage also, like how much you have utilized till now. Features over here, there is one billing and licensing. Yes, so over, so you can see over here currently in my next payment issue because I have just paid till today only for this GitHub Copilot. Even the usage is $0. When you click on the user, you can able to see this usage data. For the current month, it is 1st of April, so it's not showing. Let's go to last month. You can see my usage, how I have utilized this particular amount. Okay, so when I'm actually, it is not charging you more than $10. This is the best thing I see in GitHub Copilot. But one thing I want to tell you, even if you have reached your all of the quota, like if you have utilized all of the 100% premium requests, still it will be utilizing. Like still you can utilize the Copilot, but the results will be based on your free models. Okay, and that free models will be charging you above $10, but still you need to pay $10 because I already mentioned GitHub provides a free tier also that is based on the free model. So if I go over here, you can see these are free models, and according to GitHub this is 0% productivity. So GitHub provides these models as free, so you can utilize as much as you can. Okay, so that's what I am. Even in the last month I have utilized a lot of things, so you can see my billing is going beyond $10. Okay, but still it charged me $10 only. This is the best thing I like in GitHub. If you are purchasing GitHub Pro version, so it will be charging maximum $10. Okay, so maybe you can add the budgets also over here. Like suppose if you add a budget for the particular amount, if you want to maximum utilize $5 per month, so you can also add. But why to add a budget? It's, I think it's about when you are going to purchase GitHub as a pay as per you go model. There is also that option also. I don't know, other AIs are having these type of things, but I think this GitHub also provide this type of things. Okay, so maybe you can check the educational benefits also. So if you are having any college ID, you can pick up this. So you can see get Copilot for free 180 monthly code basis, or for cloud coding, unlimited private robots with GitHub Pro. Even I think it is providing you GitHub Pro. So maybe you can take advantage for this GitHub education. Okay, let's see how much progress it can able to do. So till now it is able to build 4 tools. I think it creates some error. It is fixing actually already. So you can see the lint error is like a translate me continue creating the main pages and comment. Okay, let's wait for GitHub what it can able to do within a minutes. But I'm damnly sure it will be able to build the product according to our context. Okay, let's discuss more about the GitHub Copilot if you want to do. If I can show you things. This is about the payment history. So I have purchased the history. Okay, it is taking too much time, but yeah, it will be worth of it if we are giving it time. So as you can see, this is the folder structure that this GitHub is creating. If you are not aware of the Next.js, I can tell you this is the best folder structure that generally we followed in our projects for the best practices. Okay, with the src application, and even divides the components into different files and folders, you can see. Okay, oh, it's done with you all the 12 tools. Now I think it is just building it, it's testing it. If you're not aware of the Next.js, you can just ignore these all type of things. But I'm telling you, like, these best practices are already followed by the GitHub Copilot. So you not need to focus on anything. You just need to give a prompt, and you just need to check if it is valid or not, right? Cloud Opus is really very good. I just recently checked it. Earlier, I was utilizing Claude Sonnet 4.5 and 4.6, but recently I checked Opus. It's really very good. It takes time, but still it gives you very good results. Okay, let's see what is doing. Even it creates in a such a way, uh, like it added the MD folder. Oh, nice. Hmm. So might be you will be getting this type of pop-up, but you can continue it. It's again to restrict the utilization of these premium requests. Okay, so generally GitHub follow this to give a pop-up, so that at least we can uh, click on it and then move on it. Otherwise, what happens if you leave on it, the GitHub, and if you again allow all access for this session, it will be automatically running each and every command. So might be you will be exhausting a lot of components if GitHub is getting stuck in some of the errors. Okay, let's suppose if any component, even if here also you see there is some errors over here, so GitHub will try to fix this error automatically. But as you can see even here, over here, GitHub is getting stuck in the error, and actually GitHub is fixing it. Let's see if GitHub can able to fix. Otherwise, you can stop it and you can again give the that particular file, so that like you can mention you need to fix this particular error. Okay, otherwise what will happen, sorry, what will happen, it will be automatically trying all of the possibilities, exhausting a lot of tokens. So that's why GitHub gives option. So even you can stop from here also. I'm not stopping because I want to see if GitHub can able to achieve this within one command. Okay, so let's wait for the GitHub. It might take some time, but still it can able to fix. But I'm saying you it will be utilizing tokens if we are following this approach. If I can see now, so currently it is utilizing 2% only. That's good actually. Let's see in the end of the product how much it can able to utilize. GitHub is fixing a lot of things parallelly, I think. I feel only this component is having some error. Okay, and navbar is having some error. Rest that fix already. Button bill, yeah, it is in navbar only. Oh, it fixed navbar also. We are almost done, I think. Almost. Only this error is remaining. I think this is not an error. Maybe let's check. So as you can see, like within just one command, it is able to create a lot of components with just one prompt, right? This is an amazing thing, I think. Perfect. The build successful, I think. Yes, the build succeeds. The warning about the chat dimension from SSR ending. Now it is running our project. If you are not aware of the Next.js, I can tell you this command is able to run our product. Okay, so let's see. It will tell you where you need to click. You don't need to worry anything about it. It will be telling you where you can run this, and you can see how it is doing. Okay, so it is saying to open it. So see, even it is opening over here. But let's see, we can open in browser also and see what is happening. See, wow, this is amazing, I think. See, it is able to build this complete website. Even you can see what is home is the current page services. It's compiling. Oh, nice. Service page is also completed. Doctors. Let's see the doctors page. Oh, nice. Even I think it is. No, it is. It has doesn't work on the backend part because actually we mentioned first focus on the front end. No, it is working actually. Whoa, nice. See, even you can able to book this, right? Like you can able to pick one preferred doctor, Continue. Oh, nice. It is even showing us to pick a date. 9:30. Continue. Just filling a form. The ones. Just. Oh, let's click on continue. Oh, nice. Confirm appointment. Appointment confirmed. Your appointment has successfully booked at the launch. You will receive a confirmation email. Nice. Let's go to about section. It makes about section very perfect. See the animation and the design making by his own knowledge, right? Contact us also. Let's see the patient portal. It's not working, I think. It's working. Oh, see, it is. It has make this one such an amazing thing. Book an appointment. Let's check the responsiveness also. We're given a command to make it responsive also. Let's see if it's able to make it responsive. Oh, nice. See, it is even able to make it responsive, but not too much, but still it is like we can able to deploy it for a first version, I think. Right. It's making responsive. Let's see other pages also. Yeah. So as you can see, there are a lot of things even still we need to work on, but still it is up to the mark. Like within just let's see the time. It's just I think in at 10:20 it was able to complete. Within just 20 minutes we are able to build the complete front end. Right. We can able to build the backend also within just 20 minutes. So that means with the help of this AI services we can able to build the complete front end backend. And even I didn't mention about any of the technologies or any of the pages. Like I just mentioned, you need to take care of what you need to which different pages you need to build based on the domain, right? So it automatically picks, right? Even I didn't mention AI to create a book and appointment. It is able to create a book and appointment. Even appointment is getting booked also. Still the backend is not attached. That's why you are not we are not getting the proper email. But we can able to attach the backend also, and we can able to build the complete scratch based product within just one command, right? This is an amazing thing. So, okay, so let's see. This is the error. I think it is not an error. It's my internal TypeScript issue. Let me fix it manually. Let's. So one thing I want to show you over here. So whatever you are seeing over here, you can review it and keep it. Okay, it is actually a scratch based product. So mainly we can keep it each and everything because it is working fine. But suppose if something component is not liked by you, you can undo that also. Okay, but for now I am keeping all each and everything. So from here you can keep for each and every file, but from here you can keep for particular file. Okay, so I'm keeping each and everything for now. And let's give a small command also from here. Let's say what we can say, just we can quickly tell at why it is not working. My typewriter, I'm typing actually, but it is not working. Why it is happening? Let me restart it. Okay, you can click on your last chat. So from here you can able to see all of your chats. Now I can able to see. Now we can just give a command. Just create all pages in dark mode also, and have one toggle in the navbar. Okay, so I'm just saying the AI to create all the pages in dark mode and have a toggle for that. Okay, let's see what AI can do. Okay, so I think it stopped the front end. Oh, actually, we closed the terminal. That's why it is not working. Okay, let's see in how much time it can able to build all of these pages in dark mode. Okay, even it created as a readme.md also for that. Like I can say it is ready for deployment. There are no need for any changes. If you just want any particular thing, you can add that. But I feel it is already done, right? So one thing I want to tell you here. So if you are having a separate context for it, like suppose this dark mode was actually not related to above context, right? So for the best practices, you can able to create a new chat for that. Otherwise, Copilot will be utilizing your previous history also for the context. So it might be utilizing a lot of tokens for that. Yes, that is good if the context if the previous context is related to your current context, then it is really good for that, like you can pass that context. But still, if you are new, like if the context is not related to old one, you can just create a new chat for the better usement of the tokens. Okay, so these all best practices I think you must take care of. So you can see now we have utilized 3% of our premium requests, right? But now AI is having a lot of context, so it will not take this particular amount of time. So you have see, like earlier it takes 20 minutes, but now I think it will max takes 2 or 3 minutes and will be able to do a lot of things, because now AI is having complete context for our complete code base, because it actually creates itself. So that's why it is having a lot of context. Uh, it's just like when you have done a project, when you have built any product, right? You know each and everything in product. If you are new to any product, right, you are working on the existing code, you need some time to think, you need to generate context, you need to read documentation. So the same things lie over here also. If the AI is already having context, if you give one command, then AI will not need to research about the documentation and all of the code based architecture. AI is already having a lot of context, right? So these type of things I feel you must follow in your projects while utilizing AI. Okay, so currently we are totally focusing on the vibe coding. I'm not focusing on prompt engineering. Okay, I can tell you the difference between them also. Like prompt engineering generally refers when you are aware of some of the tech stack. Like if you know about the Next.js, you can even check the things like if AI is making good things or not. Like if any particular component AI make as perfect or not. So these type of things, when you are checking and passing the correct context, correct file for any particular thing, that is called prompt engineering. But vibe coding is when you are not having any knowledge of the tech stack. Suppose I can give example. If what I can give, if a civil engineer creates a website, right? So that person is not having any knowledge for the tech stacks and technologies, right? He's just creating the prompt and just passing to as a context and just creating the amazing websites, right? So that is called vibe coding. And currently we haven't focused on any of the component code. Okay, even I know Next.js, but I still, from the start of the video, I'm not focused on any of the technologies, right? Let's see how much it can able to do. we can run also. Let's run and see what AI have done till now. So I already mentioned npm run dev is the command where we can able to run it. Oh, it is in healthcare folder. Now we need to run. Let's see. It's taking time. I think it will take time because it is making the pages. Oh, nice. You see, the dark mode is really very impressive. Even it is creating a toggle in the profile for the light mode and dark mode. Still, it needs to convert this services page. Okay, it is actually working on that pages. I think currently it is working on navbar. See, it has changed these things, so you can even review while it is making changes. So what I have done till now, right? But I think so. Like it have made a really very good thing in just in an half an hour, right? Okay, so I hope you know now. I don't need to show you the full output. It will do automatically, right? So as you know, as you can see, current date is working on all of these pages. So I want to just tell you, like, within just single command till now I have just give two prompts to Copilot. One is the scratch based prompt, which where we have set the Copilot to take your time and each and everything. Even you can see the history also. If you want, just ping me in a chat. I can share you the prompt also, or maybe you can take a screenshot of that. So first command was like this only. I didn't mention any of the text stack. It just automatically search on that. I didn't mention any of the pages. It automatically search on based on the domain, right? So just this is the best practices you must follow. Otherwise, what is happening? I generally watch a lot of videos on the AI. Generally, people doesn't mention about these commands, and they need to pass it again and again. Like suppose if a person wants to build a product, he will be first writing, first create a home page. That is fine, but if AI is able to think automatically, then why we are saying to create this page? That is something different requirements. If you are like suppose having some screenshot or anything figma file, then you must say like you need to align to this particular figma file. But if you are building a scratch based product, just like you can mention the AI, you can think based on your knowledge, right? AI will think automatically the best practices. AI is smart enough to think each and everything now, right? You don't need to pass a lot of context. Now AI will automatically think what is best tech stack we need to follow, right? In the end, your time is to just review the code. If you are having a good knowledge, if you are just doing vibe coding, then it is fine. But if you are doing the prompt engineering, then you must have something knowledge of that particular domain, and you can just review that code, right? I already mentioned how you can review. Just go to in the arrow side, and you can see what all the changes the AI is making, right? So as you can see in the navbar, it is creating this theme provider component, right? So these all things you can just review once and just keep it, and all the things will be done. And second prompt I just pass simply just to create a toggle button in the navbar and create all pages in the dark mode. Okay, again it is saying me to continue. Again we need to continue. This is again to protect our premium request from overwhelming. Okay, so I think you are now pretty much familiar how you can utilize your best with best practices, right? So currently we have built the front end. Maybe in the next video, maybe in the next video I will be focusing on the backend part also, where you will be able to integrate the backend code with this front end, right? So maybe in that video also I feel now you automatically feel like within the 20 or 30 minutes you can able to build the backend also. Okay, let's see. Just add a comment if you really like this video. Okay, so I hope each and everything makes more sense for you now. Now you might be utilizing Copilot. You need to utilize actually, because nowadays companies are focusing on this thing, right? Earlier you was provided with the Figma file, you was provided with the documentation, you are provided with the backend architecture, but now you alone need to do each and everything because of this, right? So people are saying you are losing the jobs because of AI, but I feel you can get a good amount of promotion with this AI, right? I feel so, and even I got that also. So you must focus on the AI skills. Don't focus on learning these technologies. Nowadays there is nothing like that, right? You don't need to learn Next.js from scratch, you don't need to learn JavaScript, don't need to learn what is asynchronous function, what are different type of things. Your focus is to learn AI skills and how you can utilize that AI in your different tech stacks. Okay, I don't know about the Android development, but I can guarantee myself, I can guarantee you, if you give me one project, I can able to build with AI in one day. Any project I can build. Okay, that because you can see now, I am talking with you, my work is getting happened by AI, right? So this is one task I am working on. But suppose if I am having five projects, what I will be doing, I will be creating five different folders, giving five different prompts, and just watching if AI is working or not, and just checking the code and reviewing it, and just seeing in the see the progress that AI is make. Okay, I hope now this make more sense for you. Hope you like this video, and if you are having any question, just add a comment. I will be definitely replying. If you want this code, I will also providing you this code. Just add a comment, and let's see in the next video. I hope now you're familiar with Copilot. Maybe we will be trying to complete this product in the next session, where I will be covering the backend code. Okay, so this is all about AI. Just subscribe my channel. I keeps on posting this type of content. Okay, thank you so much. Hope you are not having any questions. Okay then. So Thorfinn, I am actually building a scratch based product. Okay, and okay then, just click on like button. It will give me immense motivation for the next upcoming videos. And just drop your comments if you have any query. And even I have a top mid link also, where you can able to connect with me on a one-on-one session if you feel anything doubt. And maybe I will be coming in the next week also with this live streaming, where we will be building backend architecture. Okay then, take care, bye bye, thank you so much.